Hello guys, for the Python Basics 5, which covers object orientation, we did it in a different way. We are going to use an IDE, so hopefully you have installed PyCharm or Eclipse or NetBeans. It doesn't matter, you can choose whatever IDE you wanted. So you're going to first download the python_oop.zip, and there you're going to have this package here which has all the code that we're going to be using in this topic. In order to load this in your IDE, just create a new project, as in file, new project, give the name, whatever name you want it, and after you have your project created, things are as simple as take the package that you have and put in the folder of your project, and then we're gonna have all our Python code examples there. So we're gonna cover what is an abstract class, what is inheritance, polymorphism, and other simple class examples that you're gonna be able to follow through with our slides. Okay, good luck and happy coding.